everyone, we are the Group 1 and welcome to Tech Talks. In this video, we will discuss the security-related devices and the step-by-step host-based and intrusion detection system. Let's start with the security-related devices. There are 14 security-related devices and we're gonna discuss 7 of those.
Number 1, router. What is a router? Router is a device that you would use to connect multiple computers together to a network. Let's say you have 3 or more computers at home and you want them all to be sharing files and internet and even printing or scanning each other. What you need is a home network and you do that with a router. So this is a router. They basically all look similar to this. And there are 2 kinds of routers out there, one that are wireless and ones that are wired.
Number 2, switches. Switches are the key building blocks for any network. They connect multiple devices such as computers, wireless access points, printers, and servers on the same network within a building or campus. A switch enables connected devices to share information and talk to each other.
Number 3, proxy server. It is a system or router that provides a gateway between users and the internet. Therefore, it helps prevent cyber attackers from entering a private network.
The fourth one is load balancer. Load balancer is a device that sits between the user and the server group and acts as an invisible facilitator, ensuring that all resource servers are used equally. People also ask, what is a load balancer used for? A load balancer acts as the traffic cop sitting in front of your servers and routing client requests across all the servers capable of fulfilling those requests in a manner that maximizes speed and capacity utilization and ensures that no one server is overworked, which could degrade performance. Further, aiding your availability, AWS Elastic Load Balancing supports 3 types of load balancers: application load balancers, network load balancers, and classic load balancers. You can load each based upon your needs.
Number 5, access point. An access point acts as a central transmitter and receiver of wireless signals. Devices connected to the access point form a network called wireless local area network. The wireless access point serves as the interconnection between the wireless local area network and fixed wired network.
Number 6, SIM. SIM tools identify and sorts the data into categories, such as successful and failed logins, malware activities, and other likely malicious activity. For instance, a user that generates 25 failed login attempts in 25 minutes could be flagged as suspicious but still be set as a lower priority because the login attempts were probably made by a user who forgotten their login information. However, a user account that generates 130 failed login attempts in 5 minutes would be flagged as high priority events because it most likely a brute force attack in progress.
Number 7, data loss prevention or DLP refers to a set of tools, processes, and policies designed to detect and prevent the unauthorized transfer, storage, or use of sensitive information. The goal of DLP is to safeguard sensitive data and prevent it from being accessed, shared, or distributed in ways that could compromise its confidentiality, integrity, or availability.
And those are the 7 security-related devices. At this juncture, let's dive into the step-by-step configuration of host-based and intrusion detection system. But first, what is the purpose of HIDS? HIDS help organizations to identify threats inside the network perimeter by monitoring host devices for malicious activity that, if left undetected, could lead to serious breaches. And now, let's start setting up our host-based and intrusion detection system.
So in this video, we're going to install a malicious software that we have downloaded in our system, and let us see if the intrusion detection system or the event log analyzer that we have using can detect the malicious software that we have installed. So after installing the software, you go to the main dashboard of the event log analyzer and reload it in order to scan the latest activity of the device. So as you can see, there are 5 devices that are being added in the event log analyzer. So we go into the report. So we can see that there is a warning in this desktop or BB warning activity. So as you can see in the report, so this desktop or BB, this device has a warning. So the event log analyzer detected a warning, possible threats for the system. You can see the latest events. So as you can see, the warning is because of the application type. The type of the warning is the application. So the application that we have installed earlier are being detected by the event log analyzer. So there is a possibility of threats in the system or the malwares that include in the software. This video, we're going to create a folder that can be shared to the other PC inside this network. So we're going to name my folder as my folder, and then go to the properties, sharing and advanced sharing. Then check the share as folder, then permission, check all the permissions, and then apply, then OK. Apply and OK, and then go to share and then select the everyone so that everyone can have an access with this folder. So and then read and write and then share. So you have created a folder that can be shared to the other computer within this network. After creating the folder, go to the network. And as you can see that there are 2 available PC within this network, and we can create a shareable folder that can be accessed by the other computer within this network. So as you can see, the created folder, and it is empty. We can upload a file, to the folder. You have to copy a file and then paste here. And for now, this folder is accessible by the other PC within this network.
That's the 7 security devices and the step-by-step configuration of home-based intrusion detection system. Thank you for watching.